Alright, so the MagPinch trainer is made up of two separate blocks, each with its own paracord loop. If you use these two blocks together, that would give you a 3-inch wide pinch. So the first thing you want to do is take your carabiner and you want to clip into both paracord loops, wrap that around your weight, and then re-clip back into both those loops. So you can separate the two blocks from each other by just giving it a twist. And if you want to train a 2-inch wide grip, take the thicker block of the two, and you're going to attach the weight the same way. So you're just going to take your carabiner, wrap it around the weight, and then reattach it back to the paracord loop. So leaving the weight attached to the block, I'm going to show you how to train a 4-inch grip. Turn the block on its side and pull the tight end of the paracord through the block and clip that end of the paracord into the carabiner. Pinching along the width of the block would give you a 4-inch grip. So that was basically the two ways that you would attach a weight to the MagPinch trainer. And for those who are a little bit shorter, you might find this tip helpful. As you're clipping your weight to the pinched block, you can actually loop the cord around the weight 2 or 3 more times. This shortens the length of the cord and gives you a lot more clearance when lifting the weight off the ground. And one more time, using the 1-inch block, I'm going to show you how to train a 4 or 5-inch grip. Turn the block on its side and pull the paracord through the block and clip that loose end into the carabiner. Pitching the block along the length of it will give you a super wide 5-inch grip.